My name is Enda Quain. I work in AIB. I have worked there for the last almost 11 years now. There are about 100 people that I have to worry about across the Unix, Windows, databases and the desktops within AIB as well. So I've quite a lot to worry about, I guess.
My name is Victor Tyrrell. I work for the Department of Jobs, Enterprise and Innovation. I'm responsible for a number of Oracle-based systems that run on Red Hat and a number of eForm solutions also.
My name is Dara Doohan. I'm the Group Infrastructure Manager for SysGroup. I've been working in SysGroup for the last 7 years, and my role as Group Infrastructure Manager is to provide IT as a service to all of those 10 companies. We were first introduced to Red Hat from our partner Sabeo, who have provided our Linux support for the last 7 years. So when we began to look for a viable alternative to our existing Unix system, Sabeo proposed Red Hat.
We came across Red Hat as an alternative solution back approximately 11 years ago. We were implementing a new financial management system, and we needed a platform that would give us the right combination of cost, performance, manageability and security. We had a number of solutions that were proposed to us, and we found Red Hat offered the best balance of cost and performance and reliability.
We haven't had any reason to look at any other technology since we've gone live.
Yeah, it's worked. We've had no issues to date. It's worked. We've had some feedback around some reports that have been running on the new system since it's been virtualized and since it's gone to Red Hat, that it's working quicker than ever. So we've been extremely happy with it too.
Two applications are very important to us because we need to make sure that those things are available 24/7.
It's extremely important that we have an ERP system within the construction business that's reliable. This ERP system is used across Europe, Poland, it's used and Ireland. It's a tier 1 application for the construction business. So it needs to be available 100% of the time.
Where Red Hat is used, it's used on critical business systems and also on online systems where we take in applications from users. So while we have very much a mixed environment, Red Hat is used to support our key systems.
We do have a support mechanism behind them, and you need that with open source. And I suppose Sabeo are that first line of defense for us.
Our relationship with Sabeo goes back probably almost to when Sabeo were created, when they started out, and they've been offering us operating system support since then. They're flexible. They will always, if you're stuck, they'll help you. And we've always had a good relationship with them, with the guys in there.
We don't have any in-house skills, so Sabeo manage all our Unix estate on our behalf. So we've had a kind of a very good relationship with over the last 7 years. So we regard them as a very trusted provider.
We've had good uptimes, very good availability. We've got a lot of skills built up on that now, so it is a viable option for us to expand that. That's exactly what we're going to be doing because we're going to be under pressure, like everybody else is, to cut costs.
Yes, we do plan to increase our use of the technology. We plan to move one of our other ERP systems, which is currently on HPUX. One of the big drawbacks of the HPUX was you had to have HP hardware for HPUX. We're also planning to move that to Red Hat in the next 6 to 12 months.
Certainly where opportunities do exist for using Red Hat, it will be used.
There's been nothing wrong with the existing system, so we were very hesitant to actually change anything. So why change a good thing, yeah? So it's been extremely stable, and it's been it's been a very fast system, performed extremely well, so very hesitant to change it.
It's not cheap, it's low cost. It doesn't mean that there's anything particularly wrong with it, you know what I mean? It's just because something is lower cost doesn't mean it's, has got holes all over it, So once you have the support.
It's certainly proven to be more supportable, fewer issues, and I think the community is probably better would have been open source.
So is it an option? Yes, we've been using it for a number of years, and there's no reason why other people shouldn't look at it.
We've been able to replicate the same performance levels and the same levels of availability using the Red Hat system.
If you want a high-performance solution that's scalable and resilient and offers a good value for money, I would certainly recommend going with Red Hat.